It's important that women know it does not matter what age you are, but you do need to be secure and safe in your environment, and being proactive in your training is one of those things. My name is Lynn, and I am Vice President of Human Resources for a company located in the downtown area. There was a time when we were thinking about what we can do for the women at our workplace. One of the things we thought about was possibly getting the women together and doing some type of team building exercise and promoting support among the women within the company. We had seen Rob on the local TV network, and I thought this is just a wonderful opportunity. This is something that I think is going to bring some value to women and really open up their eyes. We contacted Rob, and I knew from the beginning that it was the right choice. It was unbelievable how professional he was. He listened to us. He was very encouraging about some of the things that he can offer to the company and the women that work there. So we were able to offer the sessions at work, which was great after working hours, and it really brought a sense of support among the team. They were able to do the moves, do the techniques, and train over the course of these several weeks. We had Rob there for approximately 5 sessions over several weeks, and it was just an amazing environment for these women. They were extremely professional, very much open-minded, and willing to take each individual woman's size and height and age and really incorporate those moves to it. One of the things that I am passionate about now is self-defense, and I am happy to say I am part of the Tsunami family. I'm actually doing private sessions with Rob and also some additional training sessions with combatives. This is something that any woman can do. And I would highly encourage any woman that has an opportunity to take these training sessions that they do, not only for themselves, but also to support other women today.